Hey y'all, it's your beginner skincare formulator back with another video. So it's been 4 weeks now. We're testing out the last soap that I created, my Ricebrand soap, the one where I attempted to boost the lather. So what I did was I added sugar, decreased the stearic acid, and decreased the super fat. So now we're just testing out the lather of the soap and seeing if we actually achieved our goal in making a nice fluffy lather. So in the video I actually made making this soap, I explained why the goal of the type of lather I actually wanted. So a nice fluffy lather that covers the entire body while you're bathing, and it's foamy and soft, and that was the aim that I wanted. Okay, let's get into seeing how this soap performs. So far the soap is performing very well. I'm seeing lots of bubbles, lots of foam. It actually felt very creamy on my skin as well. So far so good. The only thing I would want more foam if it's possible, but it is a bar soap. It's not like it's a liquid soap, but we'll still continue trying to boost lather as much as we can. But so far so good. Thanks for watching.